Hey, it's Tony talking Car Biz. Today I've got the 2024 Toyota Prius Limited Edition. This is cutting edge is the color. It's a silver metallic and it looks awesome on here. Love the new Toyota badge up front. It's kind of a satin silver, more of a flat logo versus the curved one from last year. And check out these headlights. These are a full complement of LED daytime running lights, LED projector style headlights, and those are bi-level LED headlights. We've got LED turn signals and cornering lamps as well. Really sleek look to the front of the Prius for 2024. It's an all new design for Toyota, and it's gotten a lot of praise for the style, the look. It was car of the year as well. There's a couple criticisms that folks are having on this car. Number one is the size. It's definitely a smaller car with less passenger room inside. And then number two is the price. So this particular one is an LT, a limited all-wheel drive with a bunch of extras on it, including the panoramic moonroof. And its sticker price is for about $44,000. So it's a pretty pricey little car with a 2-liter hybrid 5th generation system on this. But I really like the style of it. This silver with the metallic over fenders. This looks awesome, painted over fenders. And these are a 19-inch cast aluminum wheel. So it's a big wheel and tire painted with that charcoal gray metallic similar to up here with the satin silver outside. Black lug nuts. 4-wheel disc brakes, analog brakes, and traction control are going to be standard on there. The all-wheel drive does have the all-wheel drive badging down on the side. This one's been upgraded with the factory mud guards, as well as the back factory body side molding, protect those doors. But the lines on this car are really great. Colored to match door handle up front, and then your back door handle, you almost don't see it. It almost looks like a coupe, but it's flush mounted and it's integrated right here into the door. So you kind of give it a little squeeze to open that door up. So a really cool design, giving it that coupe-like look, but still the functionality of a 4-passenger or a 4-door. Gas door is going to be right here on the passenger side, and you can see the mud guards down here as well. Also, you've got the full complement of sensors. There's one right here, and this is going to help with pedestrian detection, pre-collision, just a lot of great safety features as far as that goes. As I said, this has all of the top of the line Toyota safety features on it. The outside mirrors are gloss black. They're also folding, and they also break away. And you can see that they have blind spot monitoring. They also are heated as well. A little bit of gloss black here on the B pillar, and then there's that panoramic moonroof up there. Now, this is a glass panel. It does not open. It does have shades on the inside, so you can close and shut out the light, but it doesn't open like a sunroof. One of the things I like about the new Prius with the shark fin antenna, it's actually molded right here into the roof line. Instead of in the past and on many cars, it's actually just glued right on top of there. You can see it's a very refined look, molded right into there. Love the body lines on the back, the shoulders, the back fenders, all look awesome on this car. Let's walk around to the back. We'll take a look at the rear end and all the great safety features there. So the Prius is still a hatchback, which gives you some versatility in terms of loading and unloading cargo in the back. But they really cut down on the cargo room in the back and went with more of that swooped hatchback as opposed to kind of the doorstop look that the Prius used to be. So if you like the extra room in the predecessors, going back to like the 2015, 2016, they had much more room in the back. You can see we've got a full complement of LED tail lights with an LED strip light here along the edge. That looks awesome. All gloss black, including the rear deck spoiler here. Also all gloss black. Kind of a black Toyota badge here, and then the limited badge, Prius spelled out across the tailgate. Notice it does not say Toyota across the tailgate. It only says Prius. And then it has the HEV logo there, high efficiency vehicle. And again, the sensors down here on the bumper for pedestrian detection and pre-collision on that. Now there are some extra cameras back here. Notice there's 2 of them right here. So this one is equipped with the 360 degree view, and it uses these cameras here, some cameras up front on the front bumper to paint a 360 view overhead view of the car. Here's that third LED brake light. Down here on the bottom, that's your backup light right there, that little white light right there. Gloss black metallic with the satin silver painted lower bumper as well. We'll pop this tailgate open. So the limited edition does come with the power lift gate, which you can open with your keyless remote. There's also a switch on the tailgate, and then also a switch up front. But there's a switch here to be able to close it as well. And then you can see in the back here, this one does have the all-weather floor liners. That's going to be in this box here. Strongly recommend them. And the all-weather floor mat is in there as well. But all of this comes apart. Let's see if I can tug this off here. I'm going to walk you through that a little bit. And that's your cargo cover. And it peels off like so. Not easy to do with one hand. But then it folds up. It's kind of a bifold. Go ahead and drop it in there. And then you can drop those seats down as well. So it's still that hatchback look. But I will tell you, it does not have as much cargo room as it once did. So there's a quick look at the 2024 Prius Limited Edition. Really a great car. I'm going to take this one out for a spin, so be sure and catch my test drive video on this one. That way you can kind of get a sense for the room in here and all the technology, but I'll go over all that on the test drive video. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. This is Tony talking Car Biz. Thanks for watching.